25-year-old Chandra Bajgai is leaving his family with his two sisters. He's going to the United States, but he's very sad to leave. His parents and his 4 siblings cannot join him, at least not yet. Chandra is a Bhutanese of Nepali origin. Since 1991, Chandra and his family have been living in this refugee camp in eastern Nepal.
Refugee life
is like living in a jail. It was very painful. We tried to return to Bhutan for many years and we really wanted to go back. Many of our friends died in the process. But even after 17 years of our struggle, Bhutan has not budged. So I started to worry that perhaps this was all a futile process. I started to get desperate to move on, and that's why I chose to be resettled.
More than 100,000 Bhutanese refugees have been living in these camps for over 17 years. Bhutan expelled a seventh of its population in the early 1990s. Many human rights organizations claim it was ethnic cleansing. But recently, the United States and other Western countries have agreed to resettle as many as 70,000 of them. But the process has not been easy.
We got threats from many groups. There are groups in the camps which advocate for repatriation back in Bhutan, and because of their activities, we were afraid. There was a poster with my name along with 10 others which said, "Your head will be in a bag and your body in a stream." This was a common way to threaten people in the uprising in Bhutan in the 1990s.
Now Chandra is at a transit center in Kathmandu. This has been their home for a few days. But despite all the comforts, Chandra's sister, Tika, is anxious.
I don't know what will happen after this.
I think there's a lot of anxiety because refugees, Bhutanese refugees, they don't know very much about resettlement countries. I think everyone's going to get a lot better education when a greater number of Bhutanese refugees do arrive in the United States, Canada, Australia, wherever, and they start writing the letters back and saying what it is like.
Leaving is a compulsion, but I see it as an opportunity too. After being a refugee for such a long time, I'm going to an advanced country. Perhaps I can do something in the future. I can make a life. I stepped on a plane for the first time, coming to Kathmandu. Everything is strange. I feel scared, but excited.
30 refugees will be leaving Kathmandu today. Chandra will be on the next plane out. After 17 years of dreaming about Bhutan, these refugees will finally get a new home.
Sabina Shrestha, Al Jazeera, Kathmandu.